Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Picture Hangers is probably one of the most sought-after tools for home decorators and DIY enthusiasts, enabling you to effortlessly enhance your living space with your favorite artwork and photographs without the worry of damaging your walls. In this video, we will explore the best picture hangers available in the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness in providing a damage-free hanging solution for your cherished pictures and wall decor. Number 5. Command 5 pounds picture strips. These small, white strips are perfect for hanging pictures and other lightweight items. They're easy to use and won't damage your walls. They adhere to a variety of smooth surfaces, including painted walls, wood, and even glass. Get creative with where you hang your favorite items. Just clean the surface with rubbing alcohol before applying for the best adhesion. Make sure the temperature is between 50 and 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait a week after painting before use, and avoid wallpaper or hanging over beds. These strips are ideal for lighter items. Removing them is a breeze. Just gently pull straight down to remove without leaving any residue or damage. Redecorating just got easier. Say goodbye to holes and sticky residue. These strips provide a clean and easy way to hang your pictures and other items. Enjoy a damage-free way to decorate. What we like. It's perfect for smaller pictures and lightweight items. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss solution that won't damage your walls, this is it. Its small size makes it ideal for renters or those who frequently change their decor. What people say. They work and are easy to use. These are Velcro hooks that rely on putting one on the picture and the second goes on the wall. These work really well for lighter weight items, but I can't see these being used for regular pictures. But for a poster board, these are absolutely perfect. I used all of the other hanging strips in the package, and this was the perfect way to continue to use the hooks that I already had. These were extremely solid when holding the picture frames I had and made it easy to remove from the wall without damaging the paint. Number 4. Command 10 pounds medium picture strips. These strips are perfect for hanging pictures and other home decor items without damaging your walls. They're easy to use and leave no marks behind. They adhere to many smooth surfaces, including painted walls, wood, and even glass. Make sure the surface is clean before applying. Just clean the surface with rubbing alcohol to remove any dust or grime for a strong bond. The temperature should be between 50 and 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait a week after painting before using them, and don't hang anything over beds or on wallpaper. It's also not recommended for valuable items. Removing them is easy. Just slowly pull straight down to remove them without damaging your walls. No sticky residue left behind. These strips provide damage-free hanging, so you can easily change your decor without worrying about holes or marks. Redecorate and reorganize your space effortlessly. What we like. This offers a balance between holding power and ease of use. If you need something that can handle medium-sized pictures and comes off cleanly, this is a great choice. Its versatility makes it suitable for various wall types and decor styles. What people say. They're strong enough to hold even heavier frames, and the 10 pounds weight capacity per set of strips is impressive. The setup process is super easy. Just clean the surface, stick the strips to the frame and wall, and press firmly. The instructions are clear, and the strips hold my frame securely in place. I've used them for everything from lightweight photo frames to heavier wall art, and they've held up perfectly. The best part? When I decided to rearrange, I could remove the strips without any damage to the walls. No sticky residue, no paint peeling, nothing. The strength of the adhesive is commendable, ensuring that once in place, your precious items stay put. The ease of application, coupled with the strip's ability to withstand significant weight, makes them a top-tier choice for anyone seeking reliable and sturdy picture hanging solutions. Number 3. Command poster strips. With 64 strips in each pack, you can easily display up to 16 of your favorite posters or signs. It's perfect for showcasing your artwork or adding personality to any room. These strips remove cleanly without leaving any holes, marks, or sticky residue. You can change your decor whenever you like without worrying about damage. They adhere to a variety of smooth surfaces, including painted walls, wood, glass, and more. Find the perfect spot to display your posters with ease. Simply clean the surface with rubbing alcohol, apply the strips, and hang your posters. It's that simple. For best results, wait 7 days after painting before use and avoid using them for valuable items. Always follow the instructions for proper application and removal. Removing them is just as easy. Gently pull the strips straight down to avoid damaging your walls. It's the perfect solution for renters and homeowners alike. What we like. It's ideal for hanging multiple posters or lightweight items. If you are on a budget and need to hang many posters or lightweight items, this is the best option. The large quantity makes it a cost-effective solution for larger projects. What people say. They do what they're supposed to do well. Product came undamaged and the ones I put up on my walls months ago have not sagged or fallen off. I always have to have these around the house. They work great and stay on forever. I put all my tapestries on them and some other heavier paintings and stuff and they haven't came off in years. The Command poster strips are perfect for hanging up decorations or artwork without any hassle. With 64 strips in the pack, I can easily hang multiple posters, pictures, or even holiday decorations. The best part is they are damage-free, so no holes or marks are left behind when I remove them. The white adhesive blends well with walls, and they hold everything securely in place. Number 2. Moyasibb Picture Hanging Kit. This kit includes 62 pieces of hanging solutions to meet all your needs. You'll find various sizes of hooks and nails to handle different weights and wall types. It leaves only tiny pinholes, easily repaired with paint. Perfect for renters or anyone wanting to minimize wall damage. No drilling required. Simply use a hammer to install these hooks quickly and easily onto your wall. They work on various wall surfaces, including cinder block, brick, and stucco. They are great for hanging pictures, clocks, or other decorative items. Use them at home, in the office, or even when renting. They're perfect for hanging artwork, photos, or even keys and bags. The kit contains small, medium, large, and extra-large hooks, along with concrete hangers, heavy-duty frame hangers, and helpful accessories like a mini level and clip. What we like. It provides a variety of hanging solutions for different weights and wall types. If you have heavier items or a mix of wall surfaces, this kit gives you the tools you need. Its strong hold makes it suitable for heavier items and various wall types. What people say. They work great. The mix of sizes was also perfect, and I was able to hang everything in my house with one kit. These are great for cement walls, such as hanging items in the basement or if you live in a cement house like we do. Very easy to install, grips good, and holds tight. Holds heavy pictures and lightweight Christmas lights all the same, multi-use. They also work on drywall. They leave 3 little holes that are easy to cover and barely visible if you're a renter. They worked really well, even for heavier things. They only leave tiny holes in the walls when you take them out, which you can barely even see. Number 1. Command 15 pounds picture hanging strips. These strips are designed for hanging pictures and frames up to 24 by 36 inches. They're easy to use and won't damage your walls. Each package contains 14 pairs of strips, enough to hold a large frame. They can hold up to 16 pounds. These strips adhere to a variety of smooth surfaces, including painted walls, wood, and glass. They're perfect for any room in your house. For best results, clean the surface with rubbing alcohol before applying. Make sure the temperature is between 50 and 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait 7 days after painting before use. Avoid hanging over beds or wallpaper. Don't use them for valuable items. Removing them is simple. Just pull straight down, and they'll come off cleanly without leaving residue. These strips provide a damage-free way to hang your pictures. They're perfect for renters or anyone who wants to change their decor easily. What we like. It's designed for large, heavy pictures. If you're looking for a damage-free solution for large artwork or oversized frames, this is the one. Its strong hold and large size make it perfect for larger, heavier pieces. What people say. These white hanging strips are not only incredibly easy to use but also provide a damage-free solution for adding a personal touch to your walls. The Command picture hanging strips live up to their promise of damage-free decorating. Unlike traditional methods that involve nails or screws, these strips leave no holes, marks, or sticky residue behind. Each pair can hold up to 16 pounds, making them perfect for larger frames with a maximum size of 24 by 36 inches. I was pleasantly surprised by the secure hold, providing peace of mind that my decorations will stay in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.